Hello guys. Today let's check a beautiful book. This is Usborne Illustrated Originals, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. This is a complete and unabridged version of The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Usborne has released a beautiful series called Illustrated Stories Collection, which are mainly gift editions perfect for birthdays and Christmas. So this is a beautiful edition for collectors. These illustrated story collections are available as paperback, hardback, and also padded hardbacks. So this book is one of the illustrated stories collection, and this is an illustrated originals. Illustrated originals are usually complete and unabridged, and they have the least illustrations compared to the other illustrated books in the series. So this is about the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. It's a beautiful hardback book, perfect size for children, a beautiful edition. The front cover, you can see a beautiful picture of Dorothy and other characters, Lion, Tin Man, all the Scarecrow. It's a beautiful picture to the entry into the world of Oz. Beautiful designed. And here is the spine in red color. Beautiful book. Back also has a beautiful design of the gates, actually two gates into the entry into the Wonderful Wizard of Oz world. There are some small introduction in the back about the book, the main characters. And this book costs around £14 and 24.95 Canadian dollars. In India, it is usually distributed by HarperCollins Publishers India for around 699 rupees. I got it for around 500 on Amazon. You can get it even cheaper on Bookswagon, Flipkart or Amazon. These books are very popular, and some books are very hard to get and they charge you more. The price they have quoted here is mainly for the padded hardbacks. Okay, so like £14 is mainly for padded hardbacks, which can be obtained by their original websites, that is usborne.com. I tried to get the padded version of this, but they were not available for where I live. And usually these Usborne books are usually distributed around UK only. I don't know, Canada and US they are available, that padded hardbacks. But for other parts of the world, these books are usually printed in China or UAE. Just like you can see this is an international edition printed in UAE, which I got as a hardback. I think other parts of the world only like paperbacks and hardbacks are available. But the padded ones look very much divine, and since they are padded, it can be kept for longer periods, not much wear and tear can be there. But this hardback also looks very amazing and stunning to keep. It's a beautiful edition, and it's a perfect book to introduce the world of Oz to your children. This is the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. That is the first novel in the Wizard of Oz series. There are totally 50 novels till now, and this Wonderful Wizard of Oz is the first novel in the series. So this is a complete and unabridged version. Let's check inside. It's a beautiful design here in green color. Small illustrations here. Small designs. This book is usually of green in color because of Wizard of Oz is mainly like Emerald City. So almost like green color. I think that's why they have the main theme is all in green color. So a lot of illustrations you can see with green in color. Here are some contents to it. There are totally 24 chapters they have given. And lastly, they have given small introduction about L. Frank Baum, the author of this book. So let's see the chapters here. The cyclone, the council with the munchkins, how Dorothy saved the scarecrow, the road through the forest, The Rescue of the Tin Woodman, The Cowardly Lion, The Journey to the Great Oz, The Deadly Poppy Field, The Queen of the Field Mice, The Guardian of the Gates, The Wonderful Emerald City of Oz, The Search for the Wicked Witch, The Rescue, The Winged Monkeys, The Discovery of Oz the Terrible, The Magic Art of the Great Humbug, How the Balloon Was Launched, Away to the South, Attacked by the Fighting Trees, Dainty China Country, The Lion Becomes the King of the Beasts, The Country of the Quadlings, The Good Witch Grants Dorothy's Wish, and Home Again. So these are the chapters in this book. It is beautifully illustrated in the side. As I said, these books, that is illustrated originals, have very few illustrations compared to the other books in the series. Like every 4-5 pages, one picture they give. But all the pictures are very beautiful and exquisite. The font size is perfect for children. Good language. Easy to understand language it is. If you want to introduce the world of Oz to your children, I think this is the perfect book for your children, and this makes a beautiful gift edition for everyone. One of the specialties of these books are this illustrated stories collection comes with this silk ribbon, and this book has green silk ribbon in it, so which represent the Emerald City. So I think that's why green is the symbol, as I said. It's a beautiful dark green color silk ribbon marker for this book. All the books in this series comes with the ribbon marker. Beautiful addition to it. As I said, these books don't come with much illustrations. And green is the color for majority of the illustrations here. Usborne books are usually at like costlier end, where you find they're pretty costly. But these are wonderful books and perfect for collectors. You can get paperbacks, and paperbacks are usually available a lot cheaper. I saw this paperback for around 399 rupees. You can buy that if you find that hardbacks are more costlier. But these are hardbacks, they are very good. But if you ask me, the padded hardbacks are the most wonderful, amazing. It's a pity that I couldn't obtain, so I should just be content with this hardbacks. But these hardbacks also are very good additions to your library and for gifting to your friends and children. You can check my channel for more such amazing books from the series and other books. And here is something called Usborne Quicklinks. This is one of the specialty of all Usborne books. So if you go into this usborne.com and enter Quicklinks, you can search for Wizard of Oz and you can obtain many videos and other explanations and more detail about the story. So that is one of the specialty of Usborne Quicklinks it is. The end page also has a beautiful illustration and the similar design one. So this is the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.